We are in Narvik, Norway. Excited.
Super excited. We are tired, but we are super happy to be here.
We had a long day today. We left last night from Miami, 8 o'clock. So we flew overnight to Oslo, and then we flew this morning from Oslo to Narvik. Now we're here. We're gonna spend the night here, and tomorrow we head to Lofoten Islands. We're gonna stop by Slovir and Henningsvær, and then we're gonna go all the way to Hamnøy, where we are actually going to be staying for a couple of nights. So we'll see how the weather plays out, and hopefully we get to see the aurora borealis. That'll be the highlight of the trip for sure. But like, the landscapes are amazing. Can't wait to show you guys some of the landscapes we see down here. It's pretty incredible. On the first night here in Narvik, and we are being blessed with the presence of the aurora. The sky was gonna be, you know, kind of cloudy, but it's kind of cleared up for a little bit, and this is what we're seeing. I got the camera doing a time lapse right now, and it's amazing. It's glowing all over the sky. It's like we've seen coronas and everything.
Good job.
We're ready to go. We are on our way to Lofoten. Ah, beautiful. Oh, all right, let me show you the cabin. It's packing. It's falling. It's moving. Bags. Welcome. Day number 2 in Lofoten. Last night we stayed really late hunting aurora. Kind of being snowed in a little bit. It accumulated 6 inches overnight. I cleared the snow from this little bench out here. So it had no snow when I cleared it. I had the time lapse going on, and you can actually see, yeah, for sure 6 inches accumulation overnight. We're gonna have breakfast. We have some granola, some bananas. And let me show you how much snow it is. way to Flakstad. It's really hard pronouncing these names. I'm sorry for butchering the names. But yeah, we're gonna go check that beach out. Yeah, we haven't been to one of the sandy beaches yet, so looking forward to seeing it and seeing if there's any waves. Might be surprising. I mean, I would love to surf here if possible, so yeah, we're gonna go check it out. We'll show you when we get there.
Sebastian decided give it a chance to surf here, freezing, but you know the guy is crazy, so he's like preparing himself to come here and catch some waves.
Alright, so I haven't worn a wetsuit in a long time, and now I'm wearing a 5 mil to go in the Arctic Circle and surf. How is that?
You're crazy.
I know. I'm surfing in the Arctic Circle. Super stoked.
You ready?
I think I am. Full 5 mil with hoodie, with booties, and with gloves. I didn't get a regular surfboard, but I got a soft top, so do what you can do with. This is Flakstad Beach in Lofoten.
Yeah.
We're doing some shots of the dragon's eye. That's the composition I'm working with. That's the dragon eye right there.